back with another video, trying a different angle this time. This is pretty much for the sake of figuring out how to edit the videos, but I made these just a little bit ago, those little poles for the zippers. So just bought some paracord and it was like $2 or $3. Took me 5 minutes to make all these. So I made 4 of them, one for there, one for each corner on the back, and one for this side. So just a little touch of red. I got my tail lights, came in the mail, so I'll be doing a video on that shortly, and also for replacing my cluster backgrounds. So that'll probably be the next video or two that I do, but like I said, this one is just for the sake of editing, so stay tuned.